In this ever-changing environment, think about organizing regular workshops for team members. These sessions can help everyone explore new automation tools together, enhancing camaraderie and collective learning. Each workshop can focus on various aspects of automation, allowing attendees the chance to dive deeper into technologies that capture their interest. By involving all team members, you cultivate a sense of ownership over the automation journey. This promotes an inclusive atmosphere where everyone's contributions are regarded as essential. As the team explores new solutions, it's crucial to document both their accomplishments and challenges faced. This practice encourages transparency and offers valuable insights into refining automation strategies. Over time, the gathered experiences will act as a helpful reference, guiding future decisions and nurturing a culture of ongoing improvement. Celebrate small successes along the way to encourage your team, recognizing their efforts in tackling the complexities of automation. These moments of reinforcement will boost commitment and enhance team morale. Stay open to utilizing external resources and networks as well. Connecting with industry experts or attending conferences can spark fresh ideas and innovations essential for achieving your automation goals. An outward-looking approach broadens your team's understanding, keeps them motivated, and ignites curiosity. Ultimately, by nurturing a strong sense of purpose around automation, you enable your team to manage workloads more effectively and excel in their responsibilities. This transforms daunting tasks into exciting opportunities filled with potential. Beyond workshops, think about creating a mentorship program within your team. Pair less experienced members with colleagues adept in automation. This initiative promotes knowledge transfer and deepens understanding of available tools. Mentorship can lead to organically generated solutions, addressing the unique workflow challenges team members face. Cultivating these personal one-on-one relationships strengthens collaboration, fostering a supportive community. Encourage mentors to share their success stories, showcasing how automation positively impacted their work processes. These narratives will inspire others to embrace change and innovate in their roles. As the mentorship program progresses, evaluate its effectiveness through informal check-ins or surveys. This approach ensures participants feel supported and engaged in their own growth. Reflecting on this will enable you to adapt the program, meeting the evolving needs of your team. Recognizing personal growth not only motivates but enhances workplace culture. Ultimately, this strategy underscores that everyone has the potential to contribute to the automation journey. It's a collective success driven by shared experiences. As the team progresses, consider integrating regular showcases for members to present their findings, insights, and applications of automation. These presentations foster an engaging knowledge-sharing platform, igniting discussions that may lead to innovative solutions. Encourage everyone to investigate various use cases, illustrating how automation can align with their specific roles and challenges. As achievements are celebrated and obstacles faced together, a strong sense of community will develop, reinforcing a commitment to continuous improvement. As these showcases become routine, excitement around automation will spread throughout the organization. Colleagues from different departments will likely attend, fostering interdepartmental relationships and a greater understanding of automation's business benefits. Feedback collected during these gatherings will further strengthen the team's collaborative spirit, ensuring they remain agile and responsive to evolving needs. By nurturing this atmosphere, the pursuit of efficient automation transforms into a shared passion. This approach shifts perceptions about workload, driving a sense of collective accomplishment. Encourage team members to not only share their successful implementations but also openly discuss failures. This creates a safe learning environment. Such openness fosters resilience and allows others to see setbacks as part of the exploration process. By normalizing these important conversations, you set a standard for viewing challenges as stepping stones toward automation excellence. This collective learning experience will refine individual skills and strengthen team cohesion as they navigate automation's complexities. A cohesive and empowered workplace culture will emerge. As your organization fully embraces automation, you'll witness a cultural renaissance. Each individual's innovation will significantly contribute to shared success. This journey not only changes processes but also enhances relationships, promoting an atmosphere where collaboration and creativity flourish. Ultimately, embracing automation signifies embarking on a journey filled with opportunities and collective achievements.